best free recording site for business owners and marketers. Attaching links to your affiliate product and services to free advertising sites is a quick, easy, and affordable way for your business to gain exposure. This is necessary, especially for beginners in affiliate marketing business. The majority of free advertising sites are built for local businesses in a classified ad layout and structure. However, our list is focused on other free advertising options that many marketers are searching for. The paid ad for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner free ad space is interesting. Thanks to free business advertising sites, you don't have to choose between reaching your target audience and spending all of your limited marketing budget for a single campaign. While most platforms charge entrepreneurs to advertise to their audience, it's possible to get free advertising for your business. Tactics like word of mouth campaign, online directory listing, and email newsletter makes it possible to reach potential customers without spending a dollar. Subscribe to my channel and turn on notification button to discover more on how to make money online. Here are the best free advertising sites you can use. Paid ad for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. 15-minute setup for entrepreneurs and digital marketers. The first free advertising website is Facebook Business Messenger. This business inbox in Messenger is a mobile tool to help you manage your business communications directly from your Messenger's app. Build stronger trust and relationship with your audience by replying quickly to their questions and affiliate business concerns. As a digital marketer, chances are that one of your main channels of communication is Facebook. But did you know that you can use Facebook Messenger for businesses? And more than 1.5 billion people actively use Facebook Messenger chat. However, businesses are engaging with their audience on this proven channel. You can improve your affiliate ranking with less effort using ads for free and make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner using 15-minute setup with automation tools. To get the most out of the Facebook Messenger marketing, use the chat platform to connect with customers on a large scale. MobileMonkey is the most well-recognized Facebook chat marketing platform, and you can use it to advertise your entire audience on Facebook for free. MobileMonkey Facebook Messenger chatbot allows you to engage with your audience with marketing automation tools such as new Facebook Messenger marketing, tools for Instagram, free lead generation, captures your Facebook fans' name, emails, and phone numbers automatically. One-time notification invite users to get updates and promotional messages. Drip campaigns sequence messages across Facebook, XMX, and web chats. Before checking into a particular website, you need to check the license of the specific online website. Facebook post autoresponders capture leads and subscribers from organic Facebook posts. Messenger contacts captured by your Facebook Messenger bot can be added to other marketing channels. This includes SMS, text messaging, native live chat for your website, and other web chat apps like Instagram and WhatsApp. This way, you'll be able to build user profile and see their entire history across the channel. This trigger messages based on their behavior and opt them into other campaigns. WhatsApp chatbot, it doesn't cost anything to download. You can get it with either WhatsApp Business or WhatsApp Business API. After the first 1,000 conversions, You will be charged based on the consumption of the bots. Another best free advertising website is Google My Business your product online and use paid ad for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner with 15 minutes setup. Since the advent of Facebook Marketplace and Facebook Shop business pages, the social media platform has provided functions that imitate those of the best classified ad sites. Creating a Facebook shop is free and only takes a few minutes to set up. Businesses can choose the products they want to feature from their catalog and then customize the look and feel of their shop with a cover image and accent color that showcase their brand. Facebook shops are live in USA and in UK. They improve SEO ranking. eBay listing result in more visibility than the majority of other websites. Additionally, eBay has a good social media presence and follower base. And unlike many other free advertising sites, eBay has an interactive interface that makes it easier to publish free advertisements. Another best free advertising site allows you to sell and market affiliate products and services. These categories are so diverse that they range from automotive, beauty services, products, computer parts, and parking spots. Presently, Craigslist allows users to post ads once per geographical area every 48 hours. Posting ads are free for almost all products except vehicle and furniture ads that may require a small fee. Posting ads for services will also require a small fee, but you are guaranteed a full 30 days when you pay for the ads. The only problem with Craigslist is that the site has been used for illegal activity quite a bit over time. So you need to make sure that your ads aren't too spammy, especially if you're posting ads with a newly created profile. Craigslist is still among the leading because you can connect your social media account as well as local listening from sites like eBay, forrent.com, newspapers, and more. Audio powered Facebook Marketplace originally. One good thing about Odoo is that the platform pays well with social media. For example, you can connect your Odoo account to your Facebook business page and post an update immediately when you launch new Facebook ad. Furthermore, Odoo has a partnership with Advertigo, which is also a free online advertising site. This allows you to feature your Odoo listing on Advertigo and vice versa, which increases your chances to use AdPay for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner with 15 minutes setup and reach your audience with your ads. However, the platform is good for advertising products and services aimed at consumers such as logistics, storage, land and spam on the platform. Classified ad does a satisfactory job of monitoring and filtering the content posted on the site, so you'll be confident that your backlink to your website contact form. Another best free advertising site is AdPost. AdPost is a non-free ad website where you can use paid ads for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. 15 minutes setup. The platform has a presence in over 100 cities in more than 500 regions, as well as 30 million views a month and 1,100 photos and one video. You can upgrade to paid ads. There are 4 enhancements to choose from, such as priority ranking and country-wide targeting option. Each of the 4 ad enhancements costs 9.99 cents and includes the following: Runs for 30 days with free renewal to maximum of 180 days display up to 100 photos plus one video page review. Reprise counter ad post claim that each ad enhancement option increases average daily view by at least 3 times. Another Bex free advertising site is Gumtree. Gumtree has gained global recognition with its launch in the United Kingdom. However, the site is generally focused on its UK pop. Spider has approximately 2.2 million members and is growing by thousands daily. Spider helps SMB owners and executives grow their businesses and is completely free to register. The company has multiplied technology pattern pending. Unlike other free classified ad sites, Spider is notable for its collaboration with retail giants such as Walmart, Maxis, and Amazon. Spider is one of the largest free social networks where business owners can find free sex leads, prospect lists, as well as free business directories and free business forums. The platform is good to use for free ads to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner with 15-minute setup. The platform itself serves ad campaigns, including the following: advertise for as little as $5 per day, manage your campaign, perfect for limited budgets, advertise to business owners by location and specific industry. Another Bex free advertising site is Penny Saver. If your business is focused on selling locally, then Penny Saver USA is the kind of free high traffic advertising site worth considering. Penny Saver claims that it is the largest direct mail shopping publication in the USA and reaches more than 11 million Americans every week. When you are on the Penny Saver site, you will see the place free ad options on the top right of the home page. Placing an ad is as easy as clicking that option using their ad builder and publishing. Penny Saver is one of the best free advertising sites to use paid ads for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. 15-minute setup. To officially place your ads, you will need to provide your contact information. But other than that, placing an ad on Penny Saver is completely free. After signing up, your ads get exposure on Penny Saver, various affiliates, and subsidiary sites in their appropriate categories. Another best free advertising site is Gbo. Gbo prides itself on a self-community options. Gbo advances the extra mile to help build, protect, and connect communities. They've even developed a unique automated system to scan ads for potential unsafe and illegal activities. And Gbo is continually updating to keep current with the criminal activity trend occurring on the site, making sure that your own ads are legitimate while following guidelines may increase the time it takes for your ad to be included on the site. The benefits are clear. Your ads will be trusted by visitors. Ads will not be diluted by thousands of fake robot-generated ads. Measuring ad performance is much more accurate and predictable. Another great thing about posting on Gbo is the fact that your product listing will be shared on Gbo's social media channel, which has over 60,000 followers combined. If having the safest platform possible is your priority, Gbo is one of the best free advertising sites to use paid ad for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. 15-minute setup. In fact, in 20 years of its operation, Gbo claims to have never had any problem with illegal activities. So if you are concerned about the quality and want a free low-cost advertising option, Consider placing ad on Jibo. Another best free advertising site is Hubly. Hubly is one of the best free advertising sites to use paid ads for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. 15-minute setup. Again, the additional security measure on free ad site is to minimize criminal activity and spam. This makes for a much better user experience. The security is appreciated on Hubly. The platform has shifted its main focus to pets and animals. You don't want to buy a cute puppy for $1 just to find out that you've been scammed. Hubly is a non-fringe free advertising site and is available in over 30 countries, with its most prominent presence in the United States. You can also take advantage of Hubly to sell your products, especially if your product falls under one of the website's major categories. These categories include arts, clothing, jewelry, real estate, and vehicles. Posting an ad does require you to create an account and complete your email verification. This adds a layer of safety to the platform that many other free advertising sites don't have. Another best free advertising site is Free Snacks. Free Snacks is a free bookmaker that helps users to create catalog to promote their product line. This catalog can be used for ads or other marketing activities. This makes Flipsnack one of the free advertising sites to use paid ads for free to make money with affiliate marketing as a beginner. 15-minute setup. This software is a good fit for marketers, designers, and small business owners. It allows for collaboration and it offers advanced security and compliance. Flipsnacks allows you to create the visual and text for the ads or send newsletter with the free books you have created. Over 10 million users worldwide choose Flipsnacks for their businesses because you can do many things with this tool. You can add images, links, videos, and buttons and share the flipbook on social media or send the link to your collaborators. Besides the interaction, which gives it a big plus compared to other platforms that allows the promotion of products only through images and text. Flipsnacks also guide you in creating your ads and newsletters. If you have design skill, you can create your own design. However, there are many templates that you can choose from. It is good for designers, marketers, or anybody who wants to make advertisements or newsletters. Check the playlist of my videos on making money online and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and bye.